Well, the harvest is underway, and when you're out in the field working long hours, it's always nice to have some good food that comes your way, and we have a recipe for that. Joining me now is Crystal Klug again, Common Ground volunteer. Crystal, tell us about the recipe you have.
So the recipe that I have is perfect, like you said, to serve to those farmers in the field. It's easy to eat with your hands, but it also tastes like an apple pie. So it also works because it's apple orchard season in Nebraska, which is exciting. And Nebraska has a lot of apple orchards. And so I have already went ahead and I made the shortbread crust, and it comes together really easily with flour and butter and some salt and some other ingredients. And I pressed it into the pan, baked it for 15 minutes at 300 degrees. And while that bakes, then you can get your other ingredients ready. So I have with me some apples, and I used 2 different kinds of apples. And it just gives it a little bit of a different flavor. And then I put the flour and the spices on top and the sugar. And so over your warm crust, you're going to spread out your apples, and it's gonna look like you have too many apples for the bars, but they'll cook down nicely. And now we're just gonna put together our streusel that goes on top. So we're gonna add our oats and our sugar and our flour and our cinnamon and then our brown sugar. And we're gonna cut that together with a little bit of cold butter, and it's going to make a crumble. And then once you have your crumble ready, you're gonna pour it on top of your apples and then bake that for another 30 to 35 minutes or so. So your finished project looks like this, and you can drizzle some caramel over the top. And like I said, it's easy to eat with your hands, and my husband says it actually tastes better than apple pie. So it's farmer approved.
All right, getting the thumbs up from the farmer. All right, sounds good. Crystal, thank you very much.
Thank you.